Hi everyone, Jacques from Tron Electronic Works here. Today we're repairing an old Yamaha keyboard. First off, I tried powering it on to see what the issues are, but the keyboard is dead. Let's get this flipped and unscrew the bottom case to open and inspect it. I turn my attention to the power input board and strip it out. No surprises here, the DC Jack has failed. One quick soldering job later, I have repaired the broken trace and it's time to reinstall the PCB and see if we were successful at restoring power to this device. And ta-da! Like magic, the keyboard powers up immediately. Now I can begin the actual testing and repairs. Stay tuned for that.